Come on, my beauty. Come on. Here he comes. He is so magnificent. Words cannot even describe. Hey, he was laying basking in the sun. And once again he's gone to the road so I can get out of this deep snow and take his food to him. I'll try to keep the camera running as I do so. I gotta pick up the plate now. So it may just get out of focus there for a few seconds. Hello, Kai? Yeah, I'm coming. Oh, wow. The snow is deep. Hey, sweetheart? Yeah, the snow is deep. I'm coming. I'm coming, Pat. I'll just shut it off because you guys are going to get seasick.